Bigtime8040. And how you doing, Nuka Whale Hacks Nuclear Winter?
I mean, do you hate Bethesda that much, or do you hate us that much for playing this game?
I hate Bethesda this
Or
much
you
because
just that bored?
I'm bored, and I hate Bethesda.
Yeah. I mean, hey, our advantage.
I've played with Nuka Whale Hacks,
but he can't.
Quite a few times in Nuclear Winter while I was cheating.
Well, hey, he might be able to prove me wrong there too. Who knows what he's using?
I don't know. I haven't been on my A game tonight, so there's a good chance I'll die.
Yeah. Though you can do that in 4, you can use, like, you could actually pick up stuff and use it as shields. He might have been able to figure out
the human capacity for self-determination is greatly overstated.
Apparently he practices, like, in adventure and stuff to do that kind of shit. Oh, Jesus.
See, I always just thought that Nuka Whale just had a basic aim junkies kit.
Alright. Go.
There is a high chance you will be purged from testing. Prove the data wrong.
I mean, big man, you still have to get a weapon, I assume. You can't just win a match for nothing. There he goes. I'm assuming that's you.
If you wish to continue the test, you will have to move to safety soon, candidate.
Oh, dude, he's hacking. Like, big man, he's a hacker. Yeah. I mean, not even, unfortunately, trying to be funny. Like one asshole was to me once. Man,
oh
look
yeah,
at him go,
I
dude.
hacked.
Look how fast he fucking is. Everybody's getting it all.
I just have my marsupial on, like not marsupial. God damn it!
I mean, how much
that's
do you
another
have
hack
to
I
pay
have
to
one.
use that shit, man?
No, I don't have to pay shit.
Boy. Your only defense against him is distance. Like there's shotgun or gun runner, which you can get pistols and shotgun. You can run faster, but he's doing it with like a Gatling gun. No, you can't. You can't do anything. He's just gonna run and just every now and then blank, and he'll get people. I would assume he's got to have some sort of flight capability. guess. Hey, big man, you want this handmade? Let's see if you can hear. I'll even give it to you. If you come over here, your mic is fucking your.
Oh, is my mic fucked in game?
I will give it to you. Come on over.
Oh, tell what's his name to like fucking unmute me or some
Let's
shit.
get this fucking over with. Oh no, I'm not doing that. I don't want to play with you in adventure mode. How do I know what you're gonna do?
Tell this retard this isn't even my main
this
account.
New shit's coming out. Here, get this over with.
I've played with you on my fucking main account. Nuka Whale. Honestly, it was like the other fucking day.
And who knows what that is? Keep that a secret all you want.
Yeah, I think. Actually, like, I'll give you a better fucking insight to it. I was fucking. You said that you needed somebody to do like challenges with or something. You needed somebody on a team to do challenges with.
Doing all this? That's nuts. Oh, is he gonna let us die? Probably.
No, just you.
Pretty sure people can still kill you though.
No offense, Nuka Whale,
steady.
but you're the one with the gay pride flag, but John's the faggot.
Post-nuclear habituation.
Yeah.
He'll be there in 2 seconds.
Yeah, I don't remember where the hell it was, but...
Jesus Christ. Number just flies up.
Can you tell this dude, Nuka Whale hacks nuclear winter, can you please tell him to shut the fuck up? Because his voice is actually annoying me.
Why?
Because his voice is annoying me, and I have a feeling that he has never gotten laid.
Block me,
and he's living in his parents' fucking basement off of a fucking government check.
Good God. I'm just trying to play a game that I kind of enjoy, and you gotta go and fuck it.
Well, God, that's the only way you're getting fucked is by me.
Unless you're the one coming up with the, are you coding all these hacks? Then goddamn.
I got that big brain time.
For Christ's sake.
I got that big brain.
But if you're just using them, that's lame.
I got that big
brain. Kids that bought Game Genies.
That big Brian. I don't know why. I'm usually pretty chill, but I don't like this dude.
Game Genie wasn't for beating the game, it was for giving yourself, like, green hair and stuff.
Well, people used it for that, but it was really like cheating and hacking. Getting to the end and seeing the end screen.
If you just used it for boring stuff like that, you're doing it wrong.
That'd be nice, like an anti-cheat.
I mean, this game is made to be modded, so it's like it's got every backdoor built in.
I would love for him to put a fucking anti-cheat on this game. It'd be great.
And I don't fault him for that, because that made what 3 New Vegas and 4 Wicked. Because
yeah, but those were not multiplayer games.
Yeah, but that's the thing. Yeah, they're not. But those with the mod scene is fucking rad. With all the shit those dudes put into it, it's crazy.
Yeah, this game was never meant to be modded though.
No, but they use the same engine, and that's where the trouble comes in.
Yeah.
Are you? No, oh, I got you, man, I got you. Oh, jeez. No, big man, got you. And you still try and play the good guy. Oh my God.
No. Make sure you tell John that I like you, but he's just a fucking faggot, and I don't like him.
good. I don't give a shit if he doesn't like me. God damn it. It's a bummer. You're the one complaining about Nuka Whale. Look at your name, motherfucker.
Oh, you pissed him off too. Look at him. He's a salty little cum dumpster. Yeah, but see, there's a big difference between Nuka Whale's hacks and mine. I'm straight in your face with it.
You're gonna have to make a name that's Big Man Hacks now.
Well, Big Man will probably be banned within 3 or 4 days, so this guy's absolutely inept.
Christ. Was he jumping like halfway across the map?
Yeah, I'm jumping halfway across the map. This guy's fucking stupid.
That's how you know no one's near us. Anyway. Once somebody knows you're in the map, man, it's like just play, keep away from the big man.
I know. It's like capture the flag, except for Big Man's the thing you're trying to capture, but you also don't want to capture him. I'm autistic. No, I just speed hacked out of him.
There's no way they're catching him with a nuke. Are you kidding me? You'd have to drop like 3 nukes so precisely. I don't know, I guess they feel they're that bad in that territory that like, oh, it's just evening me out, man. Where this is like, I mean, come on, this is way past any kind of... Oh, he's just pissing off Bethesda people.
I mean, at least this guy knows that I'm just doing this to piss off Bethesda.
I kinda get it. They really did. They're fucking us over. Atomic shop thing at a time. Which I've not spent a fucking dime on. I wish other people wouldn't either. Oh, I've gotten the free stuff. I'll do that. Like, that's worthy to me, though. Like, I earned this. But still,
well, I mean, if my main account wouldn't have got banned for a bullshit reason, I wouldn't even be doing this.
Why do you think that you shouldn't pay for a game that you enjoy?
I paid the $60. And no, when it's an online game, you have to have some kind of revenue. I'm not saying don't sell in the Atomic Shop. Just kind of maybe, you know, own back on those prices a touch.
Oh, I hear you.
You're gonna get way more people. I mean, I'm like if that's what you're pissed about, yeah, I mean, come on. That I understand. But this isn't hurting Bethesda as much as it's hurting us.
No, if this guy, like, tell this guy, like to not even respond if he's going to have me muted, because, like, he's just making himself look like a retard. Like, I am literally talking about 2 different things, and he's like, oh, you're doing this to piss off Bethesda. No, I'm doing this.
He has a lot of feelings, big man. Let him get him out.
First off, I just want to fucking anti-cheat.
Like, normies come in and they're like, oh,
this guy needs to kill himself.
Get out of here. I'm not even a Battle Royale person to begin with. And then he comes in and just like, blah, 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 blah.
Paintball gun. Paintball gun, and this is before I even cheated or anything. I bought that paintball gun from a player vendor. But no, they told me I accessed the dev
Oh, was he part of the, we're trying to find stuff and got banned?
Tell this guy he's a moron.
No, I'm not. I'm confused. I can't.
Then tell him to shut the fuck up.
You can talk to him all you want. Oh no. He'll figure out something.
Yes. Yes, I'll figure out something. You know what? This guy's so fucking paranoid. I'm gonna find him in fucking survival and I'm gonna rob his inventory.
He's already gonna try and find me in the bedroom.
You don't fuck with the hand of God.
Buddies.
Because no, that new shit's coming out next week, and I already have a fucking list of people that I'm going for. And if this guy's just gonna be this fucking ignorant, if I see him, I'll snatch his shit too.
Hey, I get to shoot something. Oh my god, yes. Right.
Yep. I'm coming, I'm gonna see if I can get you shit.
People?
Sorry about that, man.
And the testing goes on. Hard for you to imagine.
Nuka whale, no.
Man, that's so bad for all those people. Well, congrats, big man.
Congrats, Nicker.
Hey, now, simmer down now.
Alright, Quiet, I hope you have a good night. Big man.
I hope your first kid dies of cancer. Yep.